morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I just get my workout in and that feel good. I'm happy that I'm able to do a little something this morning. Not like I wanted to, but a few TMIs that can't make me go all out this morning, but that's okay. I got a little in and that's all that matters. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, a blessed day. Start today off good, start today off vibing, and I'm sure you'll have the same energy throughout the rest of the day because you won't let anybody change your mood, anybody change your vibe. Just keep on having fun, keep on vibing, keep on staying positive, keep on pushing. I am with this little one, so you gonna say good morning. Good morning, morning, morning. My baby boy is also home today. I didn't send him to school because he is not feeling 100, so we kept him home today, and it's also raining since yesterday, so we kept him home today. Apart from that, everyone is doing well. Baby's off to work, and we're just gonna carry on with our day. Have a bunch to do around here as per usual, so enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up right now, subscribe right now if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys. Enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you guys throughout today. I'm in the kitchen making, what should I call this? Lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever this wanna be, that's what it's gonna be. I'm in the kitchen getting lunch ready for Tyler and lunch ready for myself. Probably what left over will be for dinner, if any left over. If not, then I'll just cook again. But anyway, I'm cooking if you get the idea. If you can go play in your room. You want to come and tell Feliz good morning first? Come, come.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, babes. You're getting so big, you know that? Yes.
Let me check this 5.
It's alright, go play in your room. My mama cook. No nice though, cause sister sleeping. Alright, go.
Check with the next spaghetti.
Not spaghetti, but it's pasta.
Pasta.
Go.
Almost done.
Yes. When lunch ready, I call you. No noise and close your door when you turn on the light. Okay? Anyway, you guys, I'm making some chicken, and I'm making some shrimp, and I'm making some pasta for Tyler, and I'm gonna have some salad with mine. Let me show you what it looks like. So I just braised the chicken, and then when the chicken almost finished, I added the shrimp to it. So the shrimp is in the middle and the chickens are here. So that's it's a one pot meal right now. That's the protein for today. It's just fogging up my lens. And then I'm making this pasta for Tyler, veggie pasta. And yeah, that's it. That's what I'm cooking right now. Is taking a nap, so I'm gonna take that chance. Hopefully I can get to wash my bathroom right after I finish cooking and get to do a few little things more around here. So there you go. My girl has really started to get used to her routine. She's still napping and I finish wash the bathroom. Can you believe that? That never happens. She always wake up before I finish. So I finish wash the bathroom, and now I'm gonna give Tyler lunch, and I'm going to start preparing my lunch
until she wakes up for her lunch. So it's lunchtime around here. Comment down below and let me know what you had for lunch today, whatever time of the day you're watching this, or what you're planning to have for lunch. Let me know in the comments.
I can eat all of it because did you know what?
What?
That's my favorite thing to eat.
Pasta?
Yes.
I know.
Chicken.
I know.
I want you to make it every day for lunchtime.
But you're not home every day for lunch. You're at school.
But also, when I come back from school for lunch.
For dinner?
For dinner.
You want it for dinner?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make more.
After
I'll make
lunch dinner. Lunch dinner.
Okay, I'll make more pasta for you for dinner, okay?
Okay. And the other lunch.
Okay. Eat up all of it, okay?
I know because it's my favorite thing.
Alright. Enjoy. This is my lunch, you guys. I have avocado and quinoa here. And then I have shrimp and chicken. Yummy! Look who is wakey wakey. La 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 la. You're awake. Finally, after 1.5 hours. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Look at her face. Good girl. Alright, it's time for lunch. And today, we're gonna eat beef, broccoli, zucchini. Oh, you're not happy about hearing that? Really? Nah.
Is
It's
going
yummy.
food is served with hot?
Yep. Mmm. Told ya. Yay. Yummy. You just wanted me to stop talking and feed you, right? Look at her stomach.
Mama, look what I can do. Mama, look what I can do.
Sarah, look at Mama.
Did you saw that?
Say cheese. Sarah, look at Mama. Say cheese. I got so much things done today. I had such a productive day. As you guys can see, I got my hair done, wash and comb, and my baby's nap, Sarah nap, Tyler nap, and they give me all the time to do everything that I wanted to do. Now that that's done, I am going to just tidy up the kitchen a little bit. Then I'm gonna give Tyler something to eat and get everybody ready because baby's on his way home. We are heading to the supermarket, so of course you guys will be seeing the supermarket haul.
Mama, I don't know why Sarah loving stand.
Why she loves to stand?
Yes.
Because she's a big girl and she's getting strong. Be careful, don't pull that when she's standing on it, okay?
Sarah.
What happened?
I'm calling Sarah.
Ça fait des années que j'attendais de voir une vraie soucoupe volante. Mais finalement, c'est toujours pas pour aujourd'hui.
Désolé, Maxwell. Encore un peu de patience. Ça va recommencer. Pose-toi.
Hi guys, well, good day, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's the evening now, but had a busy day.
Saw you this morning.
Nope, that's why I say hi to everybody. We just come back from supermarket. Baby's beside me, she feeding Sarah. Tyler is tired, Tyler is here, he's about to run, he's about to run, but slow man. You're a slow man?
No. I felt scared when I was in the supermarket to vlog because I wanted to pay attention that I'm not touching anybody. I'm paranoid.
You are. Baby's paranoid.
It's
paranoid with the coronavirus. I guess it's a woman thing because everybody at work they say is the woman. They're like freaking out and all of this thing, and the man we just don't care. So I guess it's a woman thing.
Well,
mother things, wife things, but
I've never sanitized my hand this much in life.
yeah, and people say it's not necessarily too good to sanitize it. You also need to wash it with soap. That's the most important.
If you're out, what you gonna do?
Yeah, the things, the gel is only for outside because you don't have water.
That's what I'm saying.
But inside you use soap and water.
Mama?
Soap and water. Well, I hope you all doing well. It's the weekend about to start. Tyler is always talking. Yes, Tyler, I hope it's something smart that you have to say.
Je veux un bonbon.
That's not smart. That's why you're talking, that's not smart at all.
I want some candy, please.
That's you call that smart?
You calling Papa to get candy. Sorry, I'm not leaving you.
What kind of candy you want, Tyler?
That one here.
What are you crying?
Which flavor you want between this and this? Alright guys, we're trying to give different things to eat to Tyler for breakfast. So this is what he chose today. This is a sweet bread. I think
Wait. Pause. Sarah coming in the mix because Sarah going to bed. Come. Say night. Look at her. Say night. Look. Say night.
she's tired.
She's on time. Sarah got to bed at 8 o'clock and it's 8:10 right now.
Au revoir, good night. Bisous à papa. Tu as des jours bisous.
Mama, you're right that it's not a penny.
Alright guys, so I was saying that Babe used to give this sweet bread to herself. She used to eat that when she was pregnant with Tyler. So,
Shut and tell lie while I'm gone, man.
Maybe.
Tell lie on me while I'm gone.
yeah, oh, she used to eat so many crap when she was pregnant with Tyler. She used to eat sweet bread in the middle of the night, a lot of milk, a lot of candy, a lot of biscuits, a lot of cake, a lot of everything. She just said, "Oh, I'm pregnant." Well,
Papa,
yes, Tyler. What is that in your hand?
à montrer à cause de toi, papa.
Oh,
Je
sorry.
n'arrive pas de voir aussi.
What is that?
Is. Oh, I know what it is.
What is that?
Is a green bullet.
Is green bullet?
Yes.
Oh, and you have two green bullets?
Yes, two
Okay.
green bullets.
What's coming from the tree?
No, it's coming from Canada.
Oh, it's from a Canada tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we have bullet from Canada tree. We have some biscuits for Tyler. Tyler choose different biscuits. Today we have food for the birds.
Green bullet. bullet.
We have
No green bullet.
quinoa for the bird. You have green bullet. You have 4 green bullet. Wow! You know you're gonna become a bullet if you eat green bullet.
Yes.
So we're gonna leave this green bullet avocado to Mama so she become a bullet.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna make Mama a bullet. High five.
Not showing me we are going to.
Okay, we have some cookie. I eat so much cookie. I like cookie.
Oh,
And some biscuit for
it's some
Tyler
flower.
again.
Some flower.
This is from flour for Japan. But you know Japan have the virus, so we're gonna leave the soup to Mama, okay?
Okay.
So only Mama soup with the Japanese virus things, okay?
Okay. Let me look that one.
We what we have here? We have some more grain. I don't know if we say grain in English. For bird, food for bird. And chicken and chicken. Damn. So we have food to feed the chicken, and then when they're big enough, we kill them and eat them.
From Brazil.
Brazil?
Brazil.
No, it's from Brazil. Brazil.
It's from Brazil.
Where's Brazil? It's not too far from Peru. Brazil touch Peru, I guess. Hmm?
And that's it. And all the cities of the coronavirus.
No.
Except the city in America and Canada.
Canada immunized. Well, if you're Canadian, you're lucky. You send us an invitation card to Tyler. Then we have a lot of, because we have a lot of food for the bird, for the chicken, we have a lot of chicken. We got a lot of chicken. Yes,
If
Tyler.
Mama wants eggs and she forget to buy eggs, the chicken will do eggs for her.
Yes, come and say that. So Tyler's
The
right.
chicken will do eggs for Mama. She forget.
So we have chicken, so we're gonna have egg. That one is moving. Maybe it's about to give us an egg.
Right.
Yes, we're gonna have egg.
Yes.
Let's see what else we
I
have.
know what we have.
We have some pasta. Why Mama so takes so much pasta? Mama is afraid of the virus, so she takes pasta. And we have some
And
meat.
that is some racket tennis.
This is some racket tennis. You're so right. And this look also like a baseball bat.
Yes.
You know we play baseball like this.
Yes. And that is.
What is that?
I know what it is.
What is that?
I need to see what it is.
Tyler is thinking.
That's,
What is that?
this is some chicken that's swimming in water.
Well, that's a very bad chicken. That's sawfish.
You're going to leave that for Mama.
Oh no, Papa wants sawfish too.
It's not saltfish.
This is sawfish.
Okay.
Okay, let's come here, Tyler. Here.
That's one that.
That's your bag. That's your bag. This one
No.
is my bag. I have a lot of shh. If somebody come inside the house, inside the house. If somebody come inside the house, I can shh, I can defend myself. Yes, Tyler.
Idea.
What is your idea? What is a smart idea?
You're going to
Come here.
take.
Come here. Tell me your smart idea from here.
My smart idea is that we are going to take one of that and do everywhere in the house like that. It can smell nasty, except in the living room.
Okay, so you want us to put the saltfish inside your bed?
No, everywhere except my room and except the living room. But the kitchen.
Do you want to put that inside our room?
Just in the room.
Yes.
I mean,
And in Papa's room too?
Not in your room, but in the back veranda.
Okay. So you want to put it in the back veranda, in our room, in the
Yes.
bathroom,
Yes, and the toilet.
and inside the toilet.
Yes, and And you're going to do that. You and me.
Okay.
And you're going to be, and if we do that, you're going to be the king of France.
The king of France.
Yes.
Right. High five. We're gonna put the saltfish inside our room. Alright, what else do we have here? We have some compote for Tyler. Tyler loves compote. He eats compote at school. We have some orange juice. What is that? Some other pasta.
No, it's not pasta.
You know pasta? What is it? Is rice?
No, it's a big long paper to eat, and that we need to boil. But we are going to leave it for Mama.
Okay. Oh, here I have some apple juice. Some apple juice. We only take 2 apple juice this week. Let's see if it will, if it will be okay.
Oh,
And we have here some more juice for Tyler. So if we don't have enough apple juice, we're gonna drink Tyler juice.
some more bar, some more bar, some
Oh,
more.
look at that!
Some
Another
more
tennis so we can play together.
Yes.
And what is that? It's some zucchini or zucchini?
I don't know what it. Oh, black. I know what it is. We're not supposed to eat that.
No.
Did you know what it is?
Yeah, I think it's something that we put in Tyler room to make
No,
it smells good.
No, I'm going to tell you what it is.
What it is?
It is some leaves to eat and some trees.
But you know, if you eat that, you will become like a rabbit.
Yes, but
You want the ears of the rabbit?
no, but we are going to make cake for Mama.
Look.
Like that.
We have some things that smells good. So this is for Tyler room, right?
Yes.
Alright, then we have some chocolate bread for breakfast because I eat Tyler chocolate bread. Oh, what is that? What is that?
It's some tree.
It's some tree.
Yes. It's
Where-
some little
And where the tree is going from?
It's from.
It's from Mama head. No.
It's from Spain. But Spain is very far from France, right?
No.
Is where is
Spain is touching France. You know that? Alright, let's see what else we have. We have some sweet potatoes here. Somebody got sweet. And we have some pasta. Another pasta. Somebody is afraid of some things. What else we have? We have some carrots for the rabbit. For Tyler, when he turns rabbit, after he eats all of these green things, we're going to feed him with the carrots.
And some bread. Oh,
We
I
have
know
some-
what it is.
What is that?
It's some colorful. It's some colorful round biscuit.
Okay. And what is that?
And
What is this 4 ball? Oh, so we have the racket tennis and we have the tennis ball.
yeah, like that.
Nice. So
And
we
we
can
are going
play.
to play today in the house.
Okay, we're gonna play.
We are going to open it and open to both of them like that because
Right.
and make a noise everywhere.
Oh, you want to make noise, so you want to put nasty smell, you want to make noise. So what's wrong with you, Tyler? And here we have a lot of yogurt. We have kiwi yogurt. I love kiwi yogurt. We have some natural yogurt.
Papa, the purple
What else we have? We have some
Papa, the purple
coconut yogurt. I like coconut yogurt
Papa,
too.
the purple
No. Here we have some shrimp for the family.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler. No, you can't
you know
open
what
it.
it is?
What is that?
that is banana. That is orange, and that is Strawberry.
Right, so that's yogurt for Tyler.
That's not sugar. It's
Oh, and
free too.
okay, and Tyler taking new yogurt this
That
week.
went to
Okay, pretty choco is like little chocolate and milk yogurt. That's a new yogurt that Tyler took for this week. Let's see if he hit it. And to finish, we have sour yogurt. Sour yogurt, she like this one. So yes, that's it for this week. We're gonna eat good. Yes, Tyler.
Now we can start to play tennis.
Yes, we can play tennis. So first you were very nice. I think you was very nice. So you can get your candy. You want your candy?
Yes.
You can get your pineapple candy.
Yes. But that time you open this.
Alright guys, we see you guys soon.
Can I have it, please?
Look who is
Yeah, hide
here.
from coronavirus.
Yes, yeah, hide. Hide.
Yeah, hide from coronavirus. This is how the woman look in the supermarket. Night, you didn't see her?
No,
You didn't see her?
no.
You saw the man with the mask?
Yeah, so on. What's the sense of having a mask if you it's for people that
But at least he had the right mask though. He
yeah.
didn't have the one that the ear was coming through the side. He had the right one. You guys, I'm in bed. Oh,
You in bed?
and babe, come set to end the vlog. I was ready to put. I was actually ready to put my. I was scrolling social media.
You can't go to bed without ending.
The last thing I do before I go to bed at night is scroll social media, and the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is scroll social
A
media.
social media girl.
Anyway, you guys are coming on to end today's vlog.
Do you have any Jamaican expression to say? No? Galang?
The Jamaican expression for today is dongaguli. Tyler,
I'm in the zone. I'm in the
Tyler
Dongagoli.
should be here. Dongagoli. What do you think dongagoli mean? If somebody say, if I say to you, babe, me I go dongagoli, me soon come back.
We go town.
No,
Me I go to do.
no. They're going down where there's a river
Oh.
or a little pond. Dongagoli.
Dongagoli.
Or you going,
So you go Dongagoli?
or some place in general just called gully. It's normally somewhere where it's what should I explain? Like there's a little pond or there's your farm in a little area where you just call it gully.
Okay.
But it's normally where there is water.
Okay. Dongagoli.
Dongagoli.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm style. What's the French expression?
Qui va à la chasse perd sa place.
What?
Qui va à la chasse perd sa place.
Qui à la chasse
Perd sa
Perd
place.
la place. No one Tyler with the one here. What does that mean? Not even the translation, I don't know for this one.
Qui va à la chasse perd sa place.
Jesus, that one is different. Not even the translation I don't have for this one.
So qui va is like who going
You
to.
don't want me to guess?
Okay, guess.
No, you make me go one cheat because you say who's going to replace the food. I don't know what it means.
Qui va à la chasse? Who is going to la chasse? Is like hunting, when you go hunt animals. No, it's like hunting animals.
Okay.
Loses space.
What? What does the expression mean?
It simply means, for example, when you're sitting somewhere and you just say, okay, let me just go in the living room, take something, and then you come back and you see somebody take your space, and you can say, ah, qui va à la chasse perd sa place.
Okay.
Understand? It's like, who gone loses space.
In Jamaica, we would say, as me fly your peach.
Okay.
As me get up, you sit down, as me fly your
Right.
peach.
So in French we say, qui va à la chasse perd sa place.
Okay.
So you get it?
Yes.
She not get it. Make sure you get it. Well, it's the end of the day. It's a good weekend coming. You have a lot of plan. She have a lot of plan.
The only plan me have is stay over hide around Corona. I'm not going nowhere.
She go fight coronavirus. She got a lot of spray. She gonna spray everywhere.
End the vlog.
She gonna put garlic. Alright guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, to comment, to subscribe, and to catch up and keep up. I will see you guys tomorrow.
And I'm marijuana head. You know, see me a real Jamaican.
Ah, Rastafari.